Hi, welcome guys. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. So today I'm going to discuss a backend projects which I have created as an assignment for Coding Ninjas. The project name is Polling System API. So this is the project which I have to create using Node.js and a database. So in for creating these projects, I have used MongoDB database. So in these projects, I have to create some questions and related to that question we have to create some option. After that we have to give a voting voting option using which anyone can vote for that options. So after that we can collect that which options got the highest vote. Okay, so if we go on my VS Code, so this is the projects which I have created. First of all, I have to go this index.js first. In index.js files, in this project I have used Express. That's why I have imported the Express server, and after that the port which I have used 3000. Okay, and here I have used dot just in JSON form. So if app.listen successfully connected, then we have to uh, return some message polling server API is connected or port. Otherwise, we have to just return the error. Okay. So after that, here I have created two options. Here I have created two options, like here two models, like first for questions. Okay, so in questions the models I have created in questions, like we have to provide the question, like we have to just mention title of the question, and question we have to provide into an string. So that's why I have mentioned title string. And similarly for options you have provide in the form of an array. So in the form of array give you have to give three things. First is text. In text you have to provide the options like in the string form. After that you have to provide the number of words initially that option got, and you have to just provide the link to vote, like we want to voting for that question, so we have to provide a link, and the link we have to provide into in string form. Okay, after that here some here routes are created for all the things, like here option routes is created, like if you want to delete anything, so you can delete using this route, and if you want to get the option, then you can get using this route. And similarly for questions, I have created the routes, like here if you want to post any questions using slash create, you can post the questions. If you want to get, then using slash and then id name, you can get the request, or like get the questions and view questions something, and delete also you can use also. Okay, so and here some controllers I have created, like option controller. Okay, then question controller and home controller. After that here home controller.js I have created also. Okay, and above I have connected our Mongo server. So here my Mongo server is this, and if it is successfully connected, then we have to just give this message, and otherwise this error message. So my project is running on polling API server is running on port 3000 and connected to that, successfully connected to the database. So we have to just see on the browser. So this is the project which is this is running, and if we want to test our API, so we have to just go on my Postman tool. So here one I want one questions creation of one question. So here we have to just change our title. So at the place of question we have to give here title. Okay, and here what is your age, yes, something uh, I can give what what marks you got. Okay, you you achieved, okay, in math, or how much we can correct it scientifically also, how much marks you achieved in math. Okay, how much marks you achieved in math. I want to post this question, so we have to use this URL localhost 3000 slash API slash v1 slash question, and we have to create. Just I want to post this. Okay, so this question is created like message question created, how much marks you achieved in math. Now I want to see this question, that whether this question is created or not. So you have to just go on our Mongo's compass which I have created, and you have to just refresh because new request is coming. Yeah, so this question is created like ID. This is the object ID which created, and after that here, okay, we have to copy this ID for creating the option. We can copy this copy, and here title, how much marks you achieved in math. We got this. Okay, okay. So after that, if we want to fetch other requests, then also we can fetch. There is no restriction, you can fetch okay, different requests like get option one, so you can fetch also. I have created some get get questions one. Okay, so here we have to just send the request for get questions. Okay, and here get options one also, you have to type all the URL, then you can get. Okay, so that's all. And here I have created some like this is the question, and I have created more questions here. Okay, yeah, what is your age question I have created, and in this question I have created three times. So 0 1 2 all the index, and I this is the index, and ID is assigned, and this question I have created two times. So that's all created. And if I will go in options, so here all options is created like I have given a test. So here text is defined, and ID is by default, and votes, number of votes, how number of votes, this is given. This is the version which, and this is the link for voting. So here all the options which I have created earlier, all it defines. Okay, so that's all about my polling system API projects. You can also try and create this project. Thank you guys.